Hi friends and teacher. My name is Afika Stefanis Nambela from 6th grade SD Senior Afika Banjahe. Today I will make a vlog, but I don't know what to do. Aha, I got an idea. What about we make the chocolate coated apple skewer? And this is the ingredients. First, 2 apple. Second, 6 bamboo skewers. Third, 1 chocolate bar. Fourth, a cooking pot. Fifth, knife. Sixth, a plate. 7, a stove. And the last is water. This is how to make it. First, wash the apples. Second, peel the apples. Third, cut the apple into pieces. Fourth, skewers the apple into the bamboo skewers. Fifth, melt the chocolate. Sixth, dip the apple skewers into the melted chocolate. And finally, put the chocolate-coated apple skewers on the plate and wait until they harden. Let's try! The taste is so yummy! Hey my friend, that is how to make a chocolate-coated apple skewers. That is my vlog today, and see you on the next video.